On a quest for delicious keto-friendly recipes? You've come to the right place. Welcome to the wonderful world of keto, where health and weight loss go hand in hand with tantalizing tastes. The beauty of the keto diet lies in its versatility. It's not about restriction, but about exploring a whole universe of flavors, all while keeping your health in check. So, forget what you've heard about dieting being a bore. Ready to explore some mouth-watering keto recipes? Let's dive in. Kickstart your day with a nutrient-packed keto breakfast. Today, we're whipping up a simple yet satisfying dish, the classic keto avocado and egg bake. This meal is a powerhouse of nutrients, packed with healthy fats from the avocado and high-quality proteins from the eggs. Here's what you'll need: 1 ripe avocado, 2 fresh eggs, a pinch of salt and pepper, and a sprinkle of your favorite herbs for an extra flavor kick. Slice the avocado in half and remove the pit, creating a small well for the egg. Crack an egg into each avocado half, season with salt, pepper, and herbs, then bake until the eggs are cooked to your liking. This breakfast is not just tasty, but it's also brimming with health benefits. Avocado provides heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, while eggs offer a complete source of proteins. Together, they make a breakfast that not only satisfies your taste buds, but also keeps you energized throughout the day. Now, let's move on to some hearty lunch and dinner options. First up is a scrumptious grilled chicken Caesar salad. To make this, you'll need fresh romaine lettuce, a succulent chicken breast, a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese, and a drizzle of Caesar dressing. The protein-packed chicken breast will keep you full and energized, while the romaine lettuce is low in carbs and high in fiber. Next, we have a delectable zucchini noodles with pesto. This dish requires spiralized zucchini, a dollop of homemade pesto, and a serving of grilled shrimp for an added protein boost. Zucchini is a keto superstar, being low in carbs but high in fiber. Plus, the healthy fats in the pesto help to keep your energy levels steady. These meals are not only delicious, but they also help promote weight loss by keeping you satiated and your blood sugar levels stable. And just like that, you have 2 delicious meals that won't derail your keto diet. Who said you can't enjoy snacks on a keto diet? Just because we're focusing on low-carb, high-fat foods doesn't mean we have to give up our beloved nibbles. Let's whip up a quick and easy keto-friendly snack that's both satisfying and delicious. Imagine a snack that's crunchy, salty, and oh so satisfying. We're talking about keto-friendly zucchini chips. Yes, you heard that right. Zucchini, when sliced thin and baked till crisp, can transform into an incredibly tasty chip alternative. All you need is a fresh zucchini, some olive oil, sea salt, and your favorite keto-friendly seasoning. Slice the zucchini thin, toss it in olive oil and your spices, then bake until crispy. It's as simple as that. These zucchini chips are more than just a snack. They're a testament to the versatility and creativity that can thrive within the keto diet. They satisfy the craving for something crunchy and salty without loading you up on carbs. And they're just one example among countless others. A snack like this serves 2 purposes. It's not just about curbing those afternoon or late-night cravings, it's also about keeping your body in that fat-burning state of ketosis. And that's the beauty of the keto diet. It's not about restriction. It's about finding healthier, more nourishing alternatives to the foods we love. Remember, the keto diet is not about depriving yourself, it's about making healthier choices. And before you go, make sure to click on the link in the description to download a free keto recipes book. Enjoy your keto journey.